Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. I've got a really cool video for you today, and this one will actually probably blow your mind because I'm actually thinking about doing this as well. I'm really excited about this one. Now, if we go to YouTube right now and we type in audio library, there's going to be a ton of results that show up right here. You can scroll down and just see all kinds of different stuff. Now, people every day are searching for content, and they're searching for copyright music that they can use for their YouTube videos and for their projects in their business and all sorts of things. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you an easy YouTube channel idea without showing your face. So this is going to be like a YouTube cash cow type channel that you don't have to show your face. And even like right now, what I'm doing, I'm not on camera and I'm not showing my face in this video, and I'm making money from this YouTube channel as well. So you don't have to actually be on camera to be successful on YouTube. And secondly, in the method and strategy that I'm going to be showing you today, you don't even have to be put your voice on the video like I'm doing right now. You don't have to record any voiceovers or anything. All you have to do is just outsource the work to somebody else. They're going to come up with the amazing content that people really are flocking to, and they're running to try to get your content. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in this video. So if you're new to this channel and you've never seen my content before, I teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing and how to make money with using YouTube. So if you like that sort of content and you like to real over-the-shoulder tutorials like I'm showing you today, then hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. So let's jump in real quick. So we're back over here, and I just typed in audio library, and this first result that shows up, you can see audio library. They have 4.16 million subscribers out of over 2,000 videos. Okay. So when you actually go and put them in on Social Blade, you will see that they are making an average of $50,000 per month. Now, I'm not sure. I don't have a whole lot of knowledge on what the ad revenue cost per thousand or CPM is for a channel like this. And also, one of the downfalls with this strategy is that you are not going to really be putting in audio during. So let's say you put a 3-minute video up, a 3-minute audio that you're going to be giving away for royalty free, right? You're not going to want to put ads throughout that video, because then people will not be able to use your content. And so, but you will be able to put ads at the beginning of every single video, and that's where you're going to make the most revenue, and you're going to get a ton of views with this kind of channel. So you're still going to make a lot of money. And I'm going to make a guess just based on 2,000 uploads, 4 million subscribers, over 678 million views. Even if it was one advertisement that's placed in front of every single view, you could even do some quick math real quick. So you would take 678, 880, so you would take 678, 866,702. So you would take that number, right? The 678 million, and you would actually divide that by 1,000. How many thousands are in that? Okay. So you have the 678 times 678 times. And then now we're going to multiply that by the average cost per thousand, which would be 4. And this is still showing that they have made almost $3 million from their channel. And that actually does align. Let's see, they've been around since 2014. It's showing that they make $600,000, at least $600,000 per year. So it's actually really right up there. This will actually prove your point that they are making money from this channel. So how do you do this? How are you going to go out there and actually make this happen? And they've almost got an A score here. So this is really a lucrative opportunity. Well, the thing that came to mind right away, because I found this before on a site called Fiverr, where you can actually come over here and have people that are willing to use their creativity. And a lot of these, you want to find the people that are actually producers, and they will actually create from scratch this content content for you. Now you could come over here and try this out. It doesn't have any reviews, so I wouldn't recommend this one, but they'll send you 2,000 royalty-free audio collection. Now you'll have to check with them and really see, get some samples, see if it's good content, but this could get you started with technically that's 2,000 videos. Now, one warning that I want to give you is don't publish too many videos at once. You will get your channel banned for spam. YouTube, I can't find where they specifically say it in their community policy or community guidelines not to publish too many videos at once. But recently I published coloring book content on a new channel, and I published about 40 videos in about 10 days, and I got it shut down. And there was nothing spammy about my content. It was actually my owned content, and I was putting it up for people to benefit for free. And I still got my new channel banned, or taken down by YouTube. And the only thing that I can think of that I did wrong was I published too many videos in a short period of time. So you don't really want to publish probably more than 2 or 3 videos a day on your channel. Just don't go overboard. So you wouldn't want to go and just publish these 2,000 really quickly, or it won't work. You will get it shut down. You want to just focus on high quality content, 1 to 3, maybe 5 videos max per day. And, actually upload at your own risk. But when we come down here, there's one that really pops out. Now there's one right here, that has good reviews. I will produce lo-fi hip hop chill out. So we'll actually check that one out as well. They have 61 5-star reviews. This one right here will create cool lo-fi beats from scratch. And you don't have to do lo-fi beats. You can actually find all kinds of different ones in here. I mean, there's 3,200 services right now to look through. Now you want to make sure you filter this out, right? So not all 3,200 of these services are going to be what you're looking for, but you can find. So this first one over here, we'll go look at it. And for just $10, let's see right here, $20 on this one, the basic one, they'll actually give you 5 amazing 120 to 180, so 2 to 3 minutes long, royalty free for any use, non-exclusive. And you can even get on a reoccurring and save money, and you can go check out their content. This is what people are looking for, right? And then we can go and check out that other one over here. Okay, so then now that you have your content, and I like this one, they're going to do a fresh one up to 3 minutes long. You get it in 2 days, $10, or you can get 5 beats for 30, or you can have 10 beats for $45. So let's just say you wanted to do 1 new video per day. You can do all the video creation yourself, but let's see how much this would cost you to get a YouTube channel going like this. Well, it would be, you would want to do 30 per month, right? So what you would do is you would just multiply this by 3. So it would actually be $45 times 3 times. And for $135, you're going to have all the audio. Now you're not going to need voiceovers or anything. This is cheaper than getting voiceovers created for you. And you're going to have 30 videos that you can upload to a new channel. And here's, we're going to go into an incognito window right now. In an incognito window, you can see I typed in audio library. I found them, and I don't know if it's going to do it this time, but I already pushed play on one of them, and it actually did have ads at the very beginning of the video. So let's see if it will do it this time for us. So look, there is an ad right here. This is monetized. This channel is partnered with the YouTube ad program. 2 ads are being shown at this one. They're getting 81,000 views, right? You can do the math. You basically take 81 times 4. This video made a minimum of $324. And because of the ads that I'm seeing right here, grocery pickup and insurance and things like that, this could be higher, between $4 and $8. So they're making, every time they put up a video, they're making at least $300. And just think about it. And that's only from the ad revenue. Now, and you come back in over here, and if it only costs you $10 to make a video, and you're making $324 minus the $10 that it costs you to make the video, you're looking at a $314 profit on that, right? Now, of course, they have millions of subscribers, and you're not going to get 81,000 views on your first videos, but you have to start somewhere, and they've been doing it since 2014, and that's why they have been consistent posting videos day after day, month after month. And this is a really lucrative niche that is actually pretty exciting, that I actually am thinking about starting my own channel, because people need royalty-free music. It's one of those things that not everyone, when you go to, for example, you go to YouTube, audio library, there's only so much content within a niche that you can get from there. And then also a lot of the times you're having issues with the royalty-free music and audio that you're finding on Google, where it's actually really not royalty-free, or you have to pay for it in some respect. So what you'd be doing is giving back to the community, to the YouTube community, and you would be getting rewarded by people clicking on your ads. Then you could actually even come up with your own product, and you can actually come in here. We'll go back to the channel and we'll see what kind of stuff they have in their description. Now, if you actually, they do want you to have, for their main channel, they actually do have some provisions that they want. So request for commercial license. If you are a brand, if you're not a brand, then you can use their content. If you are a brand and using it commercially, then you're going to have to work it out with them. But they do have a channel for YouTube creators right here. If you actually click on this one right here, download free and safe music for content creators on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. And this is where I would be focusing on, is just giving people the rights to it immediately. If you click on that link, it's going to open you up to their other YouTube channel. Look at this other YouTube channel that they have 542,000 subscribers, and they're giving away all of their content on this channel. So this is official releases, and that's what you would want. Audio Library Plus official releases. If we come over here, let's go back over to Social Blade, and let's throw this one in here and see how well this channel's doing. They've got a B grade, and they're making almost $7,000 per month from this channel alone. So that's the strategy for today. Let me know in the comments if you liked this strategy. They only have under 300 uploads, and they have over 500,000 subscribers, 43 million views. You can start making money with this. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next video. And if you liked this content in this tutorial, hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video.